Apparently Barbie vlogs now and she's a beauty guru. Is there anything that perfect bitch can't do? Madison Bush, she did this video, and so I got this idea from her and I thought it was super funny and super cool. She followed one of Barbie's makeup tutorials. I kind of need to do that too. Let's just jump right in. There's some ads on these videos. Barbie's making bank.
Hey guys, so I've been thinking about what I want to do for Halloween this year, and I've been wanting to do something that's really special, something that really inspires me. So I've decided I'm gonna be a deer.
When I think of inspiration, I always think of deer.
Deer have great power, determination, and grace. I love that.
The jump cuts and the thumbnails on this channel are so like a real YouTuber.
They're sensitive and intuitive. Oh, and they have the magical ability to grow their antlers back every year. There's a lot to love about deer.
I mean, they're cute and all, but Barbie really likes them.
I like to start with a light foundation all over my face to even out the color.
Okay, so let's start with a light foundation. I guess I'll just use this CoverGirl one real quick. Put a light layer of foundation on. Apparently there was glitter on my hand, so I have glitter on my face too, so I'm gonna be a magical deer.
Then I use a white foundation stick or makeup. I put triangles under my eyes and around the nose and on the forehead and above the eyes and on your eyelids.
Kim K highlighting going on. So I found some old, really old, this is from like 2 years ago, Halloween makeup. It says white makeup. That's all it says. Oh, this stuff sucks. I hope this is safe to put on my eyes.
Then blend it in.
This is something that Madison mentioned. Where the hell did the white under her eyes go? This is just coming off. Okay, it's not Barbie's fault that this cream makeup sucks, so I'm gonna try something else. Draw it with this white eyeliner pencil.
I like to then put a shimmery white eye makeup on the lids like this.
Pigmented as that was one swoop. Can't afford the bougie shit Barbie buys, so I have to do a few coats. I'm so pale, I feel like all of this white powder like blends in with me a little bit, so you can't really tell as much.
Contour your cheekbones like this.
Kim K is shook.
I also put a little bit around my forehead and a little bit under the lower lip.
Trying to get those Kylie lips. How many Kardashian and Jenner references have I made in this video so far? Drinking game. I'll do a little bit of veiling like Jeffree Star taught me. Taught me, I say it like he trained me personally. I wish.
Now, the eyes. You want to elongate the inner corner of the eyes. Work from the inside of the eye out.
I actually used to do this with my eyeliner. I used to think that I was like really bomb at makeup, but it was just shit. I actually really love the editing of her videos. The little orange thing that comes up with like the cute little drawings of the deer face. I wish I knew how to do that. She lined her entire eye. Okay, she totally has some kind of eyeshadow or something down here under her eye. Bitch is leaving out steps. She just doesn't want my costume to be as good as hers. Shady bitch. Kind of cute from far away. Up close is not. I'm annoyed that she left out that step, so I'm gonna try to do it. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have tried that step because it looks like shit on me.
Now use a small brush and use a dark brown powder or eyeliner. Fill in your eyebrows.
Let's just try this. Feels so wrong to be putting in my eyebrows right now, and it looks wrong too.
Don't be afraid to make them stand out. Then, take the brush and powder and extend down from the eyebrows along the top of the nose down to the tip. And fill in the tip of your nose like this.
I can't draw a f***ing straight line to save my life, but you know. Oh, this smells toxic.
I put white dots on my cheeks and above my eyes.
I think I'm gonna try the white cream paint again. I could just cover my pimples with the white dot. Life hack. Sure, Barbie doesn't f***ing know what it's like to have pimples because the bitch is perfect. My spacing of the dots looks horrible, but you know, we can't all be Barbie.
Ta-da! Oh wait, I can't be a deer without powerful antlers. So I attached long twigs to hairbands and ta-da! Happy Halloween. Peace.
Of course, Barbie has antlers. I do not have antlers, but this is my look following Barbie's tutorial, and actually, it's not awful. I tried doing this before a long time ago, and I could not do it. So I guess Barbie actually helped me. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. I would understand if you don't want to see it. Peace.